In case you've never used a Blackstone Griddle before, we're going to give you a short tutorial. First, once you turn it on, you can spray the whole griddle with a little bit of oil. Okay, so you've finished cooking on your Blackstone, and now you need to get it cleaned up. So you're going to get the squeeze bottle of water that we have for you, and you're going to squirt it while it's still hot on the griddle, and use the scraper to scrape the stuff down into the drain. Please make sure you check the drain before you start scraping, because you don't want it to end up being overflowing. Do one section at a time, and you want to scrape while it's bubbling. The final step is that there will still be gunk around the edges. Get a paper towel, be careful, but kind of just remove that gunk, and your griddle is ready to cook on again. Here's the drain in the back that needs to be checked and removed if it's already filled with gunk when you arrive, or if you want to empty it after you cook for the next guests. After the grill has had time to cool down, replace the plastic orange cover if there is one, put the top back on, and then cover it with the grill cover. Wipe down any stains on the side tables,